using EAS alarms from around the world because people need to know the truth. Enjoy. Very average alarm. 5 out of 10. Sounds like a computer battery dying. 11 out of 10. It's even scarier than siren did. 0 out of 10. Not even remotely scary. 3.2 out of 10. It sounds like a rollback. I gave it 3 points because I am scared of rollbacks. Germany. 0 out of 10. Not scary at all. Very disappointing. 9 out of 10. This one actually scared me because it was so loud. This one sounds kind of like robots are taking over the planet and this is your final warning. 1 out of 10. They weren't I'm trying to get a 20 out of 10. I don't understand what the voice is saying. Yes, I'm incredibly racist. 3.2 out of 10. Sweden, 0 out of 10. I didn't get a single goosebump. 2 out of 10. It's only slightly scary. I got maybe 2 goosebumps. Switzerland, it sounds like a yawn, but it is terrifying. No. Spain gets a 1 out of 10. It's too quiet. 2.2 out of 10. It sounds like a microwave. Please, I don't want to go to Brazil if this is their alarm. 0 out of 10. It's kind of relaxing, to be honest. The UK, 1 out of 10. It's bland. It's not unique. Italy gets a holy crap, what was that sound?
These animatronics were like...
Romania, sounds like Morse code. Russia gets no rating, because all are equal. Minus 10 out of 10. Never want to hear that sound again. India gets a 7 out of 10, because it sounds like a video game death. 1 out of 10. Boo! 100 out of 10, by far the scariest one I've seen today. They will literally steal your soul with this sound.